I've been in this business for 23 years, and we were having some problems with our EMC. And I called these E3 guys.
Most of the time we're here is not just to make sure we pass, but also to solve tough challenges we have in the design.
Well, I think E3 has a great understanding of how influences, external influences apply to designs, or even how it affects the designs.
So E3 compliance differs from other companies that do testing and analysis because we have everything under one roof.
We were doing things I just never done before.
It's predominantly automotive, but we also have industrial, commercial, medical, aerospace, and military experience here.
And we've been known to be able to solve very difficult issues when others struggled to do that.
Many of our customers come to us really in three phases. It's either going to be early design concept, they may be in the middle of the design and they need design help, or they'll get to the ever popular, it failed and they need to replace it.
Any failures that occur during EMC testing can derail a product launch. And time to market is everything, and we get that. But along the way, we like to coach them. And in many ways, we try and work ourselves out of a job. Because if we train them how to fix their product and fix it on their own, then we really succeeded.
And then we come alongside them when that first prototype is built, and we perform all the testing here in the laboratory.
It's like solving puzzles. I like it. We've got a diversity of client, diversity of product. So each day you're dealing with a different puzzle. So you are never bored, and when you solve a problem, it makes you happy, but also it allows your customer to launch a product. They are even more happy than you are.
The tools are great. It's not just the tools, it's also the people that can run the tools.
It's not a job to me. I love this work. It's physics. It's what I was born to do.
So I, as a very old engineer, learned a lot of new and valuable things. That's why I select them on every project from here on out.
We'll go through an internal design review, and then after that, the external design review is where E3 is brought in. We do that for every one of our designs. They saved us a bunch of time, a bunch of heartache, and a bunch of cost, yes.
There's definitely a cost savings with E3, primarily because we're able to get in early with the designs.
We have a great culture here at E3. We value people, we value our customers, and we support our community.
The co-op program we have between E3 compliance and Grand Valley State University is somewhat unique and is huge.
Kind of gives them an insight of what to expect when they do go on to their career endeavors.
The students benefit from the industry exposure, and then the university gets that built into their curriculum here.
We are engineers, so we think engineering is really cool. So it's great to promote it, develop it, and make sure we have a future generation of engineers here in Grand Rapids.
I now operate totally different as an EMC engineer. I'll never be the old one.
So absolutely would recommend it to just about everybody that's thinking about a product design.
They are in a different level. I recommend E3 to anybody that wants to listen to me, okay? If you've got problems, and if you're an EMC engineer, here's somebody that can help you take you out of them.